Hi guys, welcome to my class. Today topic is net operating income. Let's discuss about the topic on the theories of a net operating income approach. Net operating income NOI approach is it has also been developed by a Duran. It's according to approach the capital structure decisions irrelevant to the valuations of the firm. The approach is suggested that the overall cost of capital of the company is independent its capital structures. Market value of the firm depends on its net operating and business risk. The market value of equity is the ascertainability and detecting and the market value of the debt from the market value of the firm. Increase the preparations of our debt capital structures. Lead increase the financial risk. Thus weighted average cost of capital and value of the firm remain constant. Value of firm. The total market value of a firm, the basis of net operating income approach, ascertained as below. The market value of a firm, B, equal to G plus S equal to net operating income divided by KO. Net operating income assumptions. The market capitalizes the value of a firm as a whole. The split between a debt and equity is not important. The market uses on a overall capitalization rate KO to capitalize than NOI net operating income. KO depends on the business risk. If a business risk is assumed to remain the unchanged, KO is a constant. The use of less costly debt funds increases the rate of risk shareholders. Equity capitalization rate increases. The advantages of debt offset exactly by the way in sense of increase the equity capitalization rate KE. The market capitalizes the value of a firm as a whole. The split between a debt and equity is not important. The market uses an overall capitalization rate KO to capitalize the net operating income. A KO depends on the business risk. If a business risk is assumed to remain the unchanged, KO is a constant. The use of less costly debt funds increases the risk of shareholders. Equity capitalization rate increases, thus the advantages of debt offsets exactly by the increase in the equity capitalization rate KE. These are the net operating income formula. The net capitalization rate is called as a KD. The corporate income taxes do not exist. KE equal to net operating income minus INT divided by V minus D. Or alternatively, a cost of equity can be defined by a KE equal to KO plus KO minus KD D slash S. The above equation indicates if KO is constant, the KE would increases the linearly with the debt equity ratio is D slash S. This is the one of the illustrations of the net operating income. Thank you.